Don't be intimidated by the coordinate plane. It's simply a set of horizontal and vertical lines merged together. Doesn't look so scary when taken apart. Within the horizontal group, there is the x-axis. Within the vertical group, there is the y-axis. The purpose of the axis is to keep the group of lines balanced. To find it, find the line in the middle. Y is unforgettable. It has a mighty tail. It stands up nice and proud. The x-axis is found in the center of the horizontal lines. It seems to be lazy because it's laying down. Remember, the coordinate plane is a set of horizontal and vertical lines. They are glued together by the center point called the origin. Having a value of 0, it is the place of no return. Use your x and y axes to number the coordinate plane. Looking at my y-axis, I find my center and number it 0. Number every vertical line to the right. Remember, right is positive. Return back to your y-axis, find your 0, number every vertical line to the left. Remember, left is negative. Looking at your x-axis, find your center and number it 0. Number every horizontal line going up. Remember, up is positive. Return to your 0. Number every horizontal line going down. Remember, down is negative. Now, we have a numbered coordinate plane. Your coordinate plane is separated into 4 blocks. We call these blocks quadrants. Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, Quadrant 4. Your teacher may place a point in any one of these quadrants, and your teacher may ask you which quadrant is your point located. Here, you can see my red point is located in quadrant 1. Have you ever seen a bullseye? No, not this one, but the eye of a dart game. The goal is to shoot the arrow in the center, scoring a bullseye. The coordinate plane has several bull eyes. We call them crosshairs. Let's use crosshairs to plot point C. My x is 3, so I have to start at 0. From 0, I move 1, 2, 3 crosshairs along my x-axis. My y is 2, so from that point, I need to move 2 crosshairs going up. There I have point C. I only need one point, and that is point C. Now you can see how I use coordinates to get from my origin to point C. Time to practice. Okay, how did you do? Point A, B, C, D. Point D is also called your origin. Don't forget that. Quick review. Your teacher may ask you, which quadrant is point B located? Quadrant 1. How about point C? That's quadrant 4. Point A is in neither one of these quadrants. It's intersecting the x-axis. And point D is directly in the center. It's our origin. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully this video was beneficial. If it was, please don't forget to like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. You want to be notified when I upload new videos. Hey, don't forget about my website. You can go to my website and you can request personalized tutoring. I also have an option that you can request that I make a video for a specific math subject that you need help with. Hopefully, I hear from you soon. Bye bye.